Want to skyrocket your YouTube Shorts views, engagement, and channel growth? Let's unlock the power of Google Ads for your Shorts content. First, log into your Google Ads account and click the New Campaign button. We're not going to select a campaign goal here just yet. Instead, we'll choose video as our campaign type. This gives us the most flexibility for promoting our Shorts. For your Shorts campaign, the objective brand awareness and reach is usually the most effective. We want as many relevant eyes on your content as possible. Now, crucially, under Campaign Subtype, select Instream and Video Discovery Ads. This is what allows us to advertise Shorts. Set your daily budget. Start with what you're comfortable with. For bidding, we'll select Maximize Reach to get the most impressions for your budget. When setting up your ad group, think about your ideal audience. Utilize demographics like age and location, but also dive into interests and keywords that align with your Shorts content. For even more precision, you can target specific YouTube channels or use custom affinity audiences that reflect your viewers' online behavior. Here's where the magic happens. Click on Create a Video Ad and paste the URL of your YouTube Short you want to promote. As your ad format, choose either skippable in-stream ad or non-skippable in-stream ad. These are the formats that will play your Shorts. Make sure your Shorts are engaging and grab attention within the first few seconds, because that's critical for ad performance. Review all your settings carefully, and then launch your campaign. By strategically using Google Ads for your YouTube Shorts, you're investing in amplified reach, increased engagement, and ultimately, substantial channel growth.